Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace the roof rack on this Toyota Fortuner. I'd like to thank Sonic Car Accessories and Offroad for giving me this opportunity. Come on, let's check it out. Yeah, this one. We need to remove this ugly roof rack and replace it with the SR Performance flat rack. Here we go. They're going to install it. So first they need to remove the old roof rack. This roof rack has lights on it, so they need to cut it. There the boys. So this will be very quick because it's being installed and it's not my usual DIY thingy. So it will be quick. And I'd like to take Sonic Car Accessory for doing this for the channel.
Mag-subscribe kami.
Okay, sige. Forge Garage.
Forge. O-R-G-E.
D. Atin yan D. Forge. Okay, here's the new roof rack, SR Performance Slim Rack. So, it's very similar to Raina Pioneer. Yeah, even the slots, aluminum. One thing I like about this is they have a slot on the side too. So easier mounting for some accessories. Nice. Alright, we're about to install it now. Slow lang nilagay.
Oh, sakto.
So they still need to center it, align it after they tighten all the brackets. As you can see here, we have paddings. This is what I love about the Philippines is you can get installation. For almost free. Yeah, sometimes you can buy products or parts here, accessories that includes free installation. So yeah, so this one looks good. So way better than the old one. So it has a low profile. Really looks like the Rhino rack. So again, this is the SR Performance Slim Rack. All done. Quick and easy. Yeah, I did not able to take a video of the when they assemble it because we ran a little late and they already assembled it. So but yeah, so very easy. Again guys, if you're interested on purchasing this, I'll put the link in the description where you can purchase it. Again, yeah, looks better, looks way better. So there you go. We're just waiting for the finishing touches, which will be the SR Performance decal. So just asking them to just stick it in there instead of drilling it. So yeah. So car's a little dirty. It's been raining lately, so no car wash. But yeah, other than that, this one looks good. Again, thank you Sonic Car Performance. Yeah, thank you very much for this roof rack.